The LG 1000 BTU window air conditioner is a powerful cooling solution designed for medium to large rooms, offering optimal performance for spaces up to 450 square feet. With its innovative LG ThinQ technology, you can control the air conditioner from anywhere using your smartphone, and it is compatible with voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This unit is easy to install with the included window installation kit and features a slide-out washable filter, making maintenance a simple task. The air conditioner offers 3 cooling and fan speeds, along with a 24-hour timer, allowing for personalized climate control to suit your preferences. A 4-way air deflection feature ensures that airflow is directed precisely where it is needed, enhancing the cooling, dehumidifying, and air circulation capabilities. In the event of a power outage, the auto restart feature resumes operation automatically, ensuring continuous comfort without manual intervention.